Hi dear all, I am Dr. Kailash Bhatia, Professor and Head Department of Dermatology, Shri Aurobindo Institute of Medical Sciences, Indore, practicing at Indore for past 26 years. On the occasion of World Vitiligo Day on 25th June, that is today, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals Limited has launched a patient awareness initiative that is Embrace Your Inner Self. I take this opportunity to spread the message of truth, embrace, and transform through my interaction with you on Facebook Live. Let me start by talking about the facts of this condition. Vitiligo is a skin condition in which the pigment producing cells of the skin, called as melanocytes, are destroyed. The exact cause of vitiligo is not known. It is an autoimmune disease with underlying genetic predisposition, where sometimes the body destroys its own tissue, perceiving it as being foreign. This is known as an autoimmune reaction. This is also believed to be a cause of melanocyte damage. The inheritance pattern is complex since vitiligo is caused by multiple factors. On an average, it has been found that 20 to 30% of all vitiligo patients have at least one close relative afflicted by the disease. Importantly, vitiligo is not transmissible to family members or contacts. Moreover, all white patches on skin are not vitiligo. A dermatologist can help in differentiating between various types of white patches. So consult a dermatologist for better understanding and the right treatment options. Now let me tell the audience about the treatment options. The goals of treatment are to control the spread of disease and to regenerate pigmentation in the area that have lost the same. Treatment choice in vitiligo is based on number, site, and extent of involvement and patient convenience. Also, supportive camouflage treatment helps to reduce social problems while the patient is on corrective therapy. There are various therapies available like medical treatment, narrowband ultraviolet therapy, surgical therapy, and skin protection like sunscreens. Vitiligo is an autoimmune disease and therefore, as with any other autoimmune disease, it cannot be fully cured, but we can clear to the extent. Treatment can slow its progress and in many cases prevent further spread of the disease. However, the disease may recur after stopping the treatment. Vitiligo can be treated effectively if a person consults a dermatologist at very early stage. Proper treatments with a regular follow-up increase the chances of complete pigmentation. My final message to society is that you should not discriminate against the individuals with vitiligo. You have to understand that it is just a skin color, a skin condition, and not a curse, and is definitely not infectious that spreads due to contact. A person with vitiligo can marry. Your outlook towards vitiligo affected patients should change and they have to be a part of your daily life. I once again thanks Glenmark for this wonderful initiative and fully support the cause of eradicating social stigma associated with vitiligo. Thank you very much. Be safe and be happy.